Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and disconnecting every cable, safety first. Once unplugged, wait about 10 minutes so internal capacitors settle. Move the console to a flat, stable surface and lay a microfiber underneath to protect the finish. Now grab a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a soft brush, and a can of compressed air. These are your only tools for a proper external cleaning. Begin with the vents. You'll remove loose debris before any deeper work to avoid pushing dust further inside. Once positioned, use 1-second bursts of compressed air at a 45-degree angle across the vents to dislodge dust without spinning fans too fast. Follow with a soft brush to coax trapped particles from fan grills and I/O ports. Never insert metal tools into ports. If grime remains on the case, lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with water and wipe in straight strokes. Make sure the cloth is only slightly damp, then immediately dry the area. This keeps moisture out and finishes the mid-stage cleaning safely. Once done, reconnect power and HDMI and power up the console. Listen closely for strange grinding or excessive fan speed. If you hear persistent noise, power cycle the unit and run a 10 to 15-minute gameplay or benchmark to see if the noise reduces as dust clears. Make sure to monitor temperatures. High temps mean more dust inside. If problems persist after these steps, stop and seek professional internal cleaning. Trying to open the chassis yourself risks warranty loss and further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.